and that's on high speed. So if you come to the same problem that I had, then you're going to have this ground here and nothing to bolt that other piece to. Hello and welcome to Southdown Garage. Today on this episode we're going to put an intake on my truck for $50. We like cheap, don't we? So here we go.
6 times a year, these giants battle each other for top placement in Japan's most beloved traditional sport, Sumo.
So I went and picked up this Edelbrock cone air filter. I've already got the box out, so we're just going to reuse the old pipe. And then I've got this piece of 4-inch pipe, and unfortunately this is a 4 1/4, so you know we're gonna make it work if we can. This cone also has some inserts, so maybe I can take the 3-inch one and stretch it. And so anyways, it being a turbo truck, we're not worried about cold air because that's what the intercooler's for. So we really don't need to spend the money on that kind of a kit. It only matters if you've got a sensor there that you need to see a specific temperature, but it being an old Dodge, you don't have a lot of sensors. So oh, the hood's already open. Okay, perfect. And you really only need a screwdriver to do this job, so it's great. I love it. Look at that. So to take this box out of here, it was only the 3 bolts here, and then it came out pretty easy. And then this just showing our turbo's in good shape. And nice. Sure that's not oil. Nope. And now we're gonna get going with installing this highly developed and very complicated filter. I'm kidding. This is fairly stiff. And my dog is whining. Oof. Very stiff. Crap. Ugh. Trying to be careful not to cut my hand up. Look at that. That's a beauty. Now let's see if one of these rubber. Okay, so that's not going to work. We're just going to have to tighten this thing down a little bit more. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to have to figure something else out. Even though I do sort of hack things together sometimes, one thing you want to make sure of is that your filter's not going to be rubbing on anything, because then it can puncture it and you can get a lot of do a lot of damage. So here's my expensive install. Let's fire it up and see what it sounds like.